I want to do a Candy Crush drawing. So I'm going to draw Candy Crush, but the famous game, but in paint. So yeah, why not do a Candy Crush drawing? Also, I'm gonna simply put an amazing and epic prank on my mom. I'm not really sure in what video and in what channel. Well, I'm not sure it's gonna come out. So if we don't see it anywhere, that means probably I'm not really sure. I can't even tell myself, but I'm literally thinking to make it at it's a 9 million subscriber prank. So she's gonna be blushed. I mean, crying with tears. You know how you're so happy that you still look like you're crying, and you're actually it's a cycle and it actually looks like you're sad, but you're actually happy, and you can't show it because you start to scream. And I'm gonna do that using the spectator, but for this video, let's start working on color. Okay. Purple. Oh. The area. Bananas. Strawberries. To be red. Purple. Stop being deaf and cut! Nearly done. We need you now. Later. Well, just a bit faster then. Is it this? Blueberries? No.